In an earlier video, I showed how to do copy and paste in Procreate using the Actions menu under Add and using Cut, Copy, and Paste through there. But there is a second way to do copy and paste, and that's with the ribbon tool. But before you select the ribbon tool, make sure you're on the right layer. I only have one layer for this demo. I'm going to grab the ribbon tool, draw around what I want to copy and paste, and on the bottom of the screen you'll see the options, and in the middle of the options it says copy and paste. If I tap that, it instantly copies it, pastes it into a new layer, and now I can do whatever I need to do with that copy of what I just copied and go from there. Hope this video was useful. Thanks for commenting, liking, ringing that bell, and I'll see you next time.